This is a 2-second oil. Here there is a small bottle, very small bottle, and you have to open the cap. Inside there is a second cap, you have to open it. If you are having headache, just you have to do smell. The moment you smell, 2 seconds, 1, 2, headache gone. Yes. Anybody would like to try? Right now? Headache? Oh, he can be live example testimonial right now, right? Yeah. So you can, this box I gave you, open and do it. And one more caution, if you are not having headache, and if you try, then a headache will come. Right? And yeah, only for headache. If headache comes, then do it. If no headache, then do, then headache will come. And then you have to do again to get rid of that headache. Right? Okay. You are having headache? Who? Yeah. Okay, he is a live example. The fastest way to get rid of headache. Faster than anything else in the world.
If we want to order books, we can order now and then you help us.
No, you can order through your what? You just give.
So, okay, video, live demo. What you have to do? Step 1, like this. And then when I put, you right? Okay. Like this. Okay. What is your experience? Share the experience also. Better.
Có ra mày mới nhìn.
Serious. Yes. And
How many times can you use?
this is for lifetime because you are just smelling and putting it back. So this will take care of your headache for rest of the life.
लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज हो या इन्फेक्शियस इलनेस, कॉस्मेटिक्स हो या पेन मैनेजमेंट, घर पर ही बनाएं अपनी दवा। एंशिएंट विजडम एंड मॉडर्न एविडेंस बेस का अनोखा मिश्रण। ज्वाइन 1 month ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग, बी अ सर्टिफाइड नीम थेरेपी प्रैक्टिशनर।